QuickBooks Online versus QuickBooks Desktop. Two versions of the same accounting software, but they work very differently. So which one should you choose? If you are running a business and are not sure whether to go with the cloud version or the classic desktop version, stick around. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which one is right for you. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we make technology simple for your business. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to check the link for free trials and discounts. So let's get started. First, let's talk about the QuickBook Online. This means you can log in from anywhere, your computer, tablet, or even your phone. Your data is stored online and updates happen automatically. It's great for small to medium business who want the flexibility and also want the remote access and easy sharing with accountants or team member. It also integrates with many apps like Shopify, PayPal, or Stripe. The downside is that it works on subscription. You have to pay monthly and it start around $19 per month, and the pricing depend on the plan, and sometimes it feels slower than the desktop version because it depends on internet speed. Now let's talk about the QuickBook Desktop. This is the classic version you install on your computer. It's faster and more powerful and very detailed. It's great for businesses with complex accounting needs, especially manufacturing or product-based businesses. The big advantage is that it handles inventory, job costing, and reporting very deeply. But it's not flexible. You cannot just log in from anywhere. You are tied to the computer where it's installed unless you pay extra for hosting. It also works on a yearly license, not monthly. The gold plan starts at around $2,210 per year. Now, QuickBook Online is simpler and easy for beginner. The interface is modern and you don't have to worry about updates. QuickBook Desktop is more complex but gives you more control. There is a learning curve, but once you get to use it, it's very powerful. QuickBook Online makes it easy to share access with your accountant or bookkeeper. Multiple people can log in at the same time. Other side, QuickBook Desktop is mostly a single user unless you pay for multiple user, and it's not as friendly for collaboration. So which one should you choose? If you want flexibility, remote access, and easy sharing, then the online version is for you. But if you need the advanced feature, deep reporting, and full control, then the desktop version is for you. QuickBook Desktop is like having a strong engine right on your computer. Both are powerful. It just depends on your style of business. So this was the video for today. Hope this video helped you. If this did, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.